What's good in the motherfucking hood, YouTube? I got a special surprise for myself. I finally went on and did it. I got me a Canon M50. And I gotta say, nice. Sitting over there, I'm about to switch over to the new video. It's 1080p. It's not like right now I'm filming on my iPhone 11 under 4K, 60 frames per second. But I got this set up over here, and it's actually 1080p, 30 frames per second. But I'm telling you, the picture on that is pose. Sweet. So glad I got it. Just got it in the mail. I unboxed it already. Set it up already. I'm sorry. If I ever get anything else, I guess I'll do an unboxing for y'all. But I was just too excited to open it up and set it up. But I'm about to switch over to that right now. So what do y'all think? Really liked about this camera is the autofocus, and also, as y'all can see, I got the blurry background, the bokeh y'all always talking about. Oh my god, the picture is so decent. Look at that. Autofocus is just got the legendary bokeh. Finally, I couldn't get that with my iPhone 11 unless I download like certain apps or whatever, and I'm not paying extra for them. I like this. This is dope. Look, man, y'all don't be jealous. Don't be jealous. Don't be jealous. Gotta get a haircut too, so don't be jealous over that either. Don't forget, this is the royal family. I paid full price for this. Didn't go on sale or nothing. With everything going on right now, I guess everybody's in the house doing the same thing, buying cameras and filming themselves. I'm having a hard time looking into the lens. I mean, into the screen, the viewfinder, and looking straight into the lens. The viewfinder, lens. So tell me what y'all think. I'm probably starting filming more videos, probably more vlog style videos. And I'm still gonna be doing unboxing videos. Whenever I get stuff in the mail, I'll do an unboxing video for y'all. And I'm still doing the giveaway once I reach 1,000 subscribers. I'm sorry I didn't get a chance to unbox this with y'all, but I was just too excited to like unbox it. Just hurry up and grab it and unbox it. So I can set up. I watched a bunch of YouTube videos before getting this camera. Recommended that I should get like the nifty 50, a 50 millimeters. I'm really liking this sharpness and this autofocus. Like, I like it. What do you think about the quality, like the sharpness, like the?
It's good.
Nice. Just a quick video to give y'all an update on my new filming equipment, my beginner's equipment, I guess. I've always filmed on my iPhone. Like, I mean, it served me well, but I really like this Canon. Probably get like a 1.8 lens, f-stop 1.8, so I can really blur out this background. But for right now, I think it looks perfect. I think it looks really good. I really recommend this camera to any beginner vlogger, any beginner YouTuber, because it's just, I don't know, it just looks so dope, man. Like, the contrast is just so dope. Compared to my iPhone 11, of course, it just looks so good. It makes me want to do another video. Like, the fact that I got like 5 different batteries, well, not 5 different batteries, but like 5 batteries to go in my camera. Got a bunch of SD cards. I got like the regular standard SD card, the 64 gig. Got the 128 in the camera. I waited like 2 or 3 weeks for mine. You probably catch some deals right now. I know when I was looking, they was like fully out of stock at Best Buy. What do you think about the quality, like the sharpness, like don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below for more content. Until next time, stay royal.